Welcome to Lavi Labs. Today we are going to demonstrate the installation of our smart switch panel. So we have 5 switch 12 ampere load supported board. We have 4 switch board. It has inbuilt fan regulator and it also supports 12 ampere. We have single switch board that is designed for heavy load like motor, AC, geyser. These kinds of load can be connected with this switch. It supports 40 amperes. So now we are going to demonstrate installation of 4 switch panel board. So from the front side, the blue color, what you see is the touch panel. It has 4 touch switches. The first switch is for fan, where it has the inbuilt fan regulator. It has the smart socket. In the back side, if you see the red color one, we have a ground, neutral and line, and the right side, down side, you have all the input line. So line input 1, input 2, input 3, input 4. Fifth input we are not using. Why? Because it is 4 switch panel. So for the same input there is a corresponding output line, output 1, output 2, output 3, output 4. So whatever input you connect, the same output it will go. So if few lines you are connecting on inverter, so that line will be on inverter line. Few lines you can connect on a main line as well. Okay, on the left side we have a two mark, so we can mount this board on a wall by using this clamp. So we will show you how to mount on a wall. On the front side we have a on-off switch. So if you want to shut down the complete board, you can move that toggle switch left or right. Beside toggle switch we have a small hole that is kept for buzzer sound. In the complete bottom we have for sensor interface. So this is the sensor interface. So here you can connect motion sensor, temperature sensor, brightness sensor, smoke sensor and auto cut motor sensor. So this is for the sensor interface. So now we are going to show you how to mount onto the wall. So when you buy our product, in the package you will get the smart switch board. Then there is a user manual. That user manual will guide you how to install the product, how to configure the product, how to configure it through mobile and how to access it through mobile, locally or remotely. Then with the package you will get 2 clamps with a screw. So these are the 2 clamps and a screw will be given to mount either inside the wall or outside the wall. So first you insert the clamp in the wood, this side as well as that side. Then you keep it on a wall and mark it. So you can mark it from that side also. So now you have the mark. So just see, like we have already marked it. Now you keep out your clamp and mark it from where to put the hole. Similarly this side as well. And you mark it where to make a drill. So from the drill machine you can drill it wherever we have marked. So you can see we have drilled it. Now we will make the electrical connection. So in the drill you can put some wooden item, and that will help you to put a screw into that, or else the plastic related stuff also comes, that also you can put it inside and you can uh, hang the board. And if you want to put inside the wall, so the plaster has to be removed, and then the same board can be inserted inside the wall with the same technique what we follow. So now we have done the wiring. So you can see we have connected neutral to neutral line, and this main line with the main line button. So the main line is common to all the input lines. So we have sorted out all these input lines, input 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to put two line on a main line, so only these two line can be connected to main line, and rest all other two lines can be connected on inverter line. Similarly, here we have the outputs, output 1, output 2, output 3, output 4. Output 1 goes to the another bulb, 2, 3, 4 all goes to the another bulb. So here we have the setup where we have a 4 loads connected with this switchboard. You can see like we have put board inside that. So now we are going to hang the board. So here you can see we have put the clamp. So now we will mount. So here you can see like we have connected only 4 loads. Fifth one we are not using, so it is empty. The first one in this 4 switch panel, this is the inbuilt regulator is there. So it can be connected with the fan load. So now you can see the 4 switch panel is mounted on the wall. It is right now it is mounted out of the wall. You can mount inside the wall, just you have to break the plaster, and you can put it inside the same way how we have put it. So you can see from the both side it is mounted on the wall. So now we can power on, and we'll show you how it works. So once you power on, you can see the 4 LED will be turned on, and then the first one is now we will turn on one by one. Second, third, fourth. So all the loads are turned on. Now we will turn off. So as you know, the first switch is given for a fan load. So you can connect fan, and you can regulate it by using this fan. So we will show you how to do it. So now we will turn on the first switch, and now we will put the level 1. So now you see it has been kept on level 1. Now level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, okay. So similarly we can turn on the resource one by one. So now 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the 3-pin switch is this one. So you can use it as a 3-pin. So once you will turn on, the 3-pin will be turned on, turn off, 3-pin will be turned off. From the back side on the 4 switch panel, the 4th load, whatever is given, that you can use it to control either the load, or you can use it for 3-pin.